Okay, daily routine, right? So let's start talking about first a little bit of how the day is divided. Starting in the morning, right? Morning is 早上. So, 上. So that's morning. This is like early morning, okay? As soon as you wake up, that's what it is. Interesting is you can use if you want to say good morning to somebody in the morning, yeah, when else, right? You can say 早上安. So an is this. So 早上安 is good morning. Or you can just say 早安. 早安. That's good morning, short for 早上安. So that's good morning. Okay. Another interesting thing is if you also take this, so we can get breakfast. So time is breakfast. So and then tan is a bit complex. So tan. So let's go for tan. Let me get another color here. Tan. So it's a few parts for tan. Yeah. So san, which means food or meal, right? Let's analyze this a little bit. It's altogether a quite complex character, right? So on this side we have this, which I don't know if you remember from duo shao, right? Duo, that means a lot. So that's this character right here. In the other side we have this one, right? It's 1 and 2 character. We see that it's quite a lot already. And then we have this kind of roof. I think we saw that also quite a lot. And then we have right here very similar to hen, sorry, which means a lot. Sorry, remember hen? Only thing that we don't need this. So it's a bunch. It looks very complex. Actually, the most difficult part of this character is try to actually squeeze them right into their space, because we tend to go, you start here, you start here, and then you finish somewhere here, right? Because you didn't calculate very well the space. When you encounter this character, I think it's important for you to acknowledge that it's gonna take some space, so you need to kind of squeeze it in this space. A lot of stuff going on in a very little space. But other than that, I think these are all very familiar patterns. So let's try this a little bit bigger. Zan, right? It's very common for me. So Zan. So start like this, then we go with this, then we have a little roof, a little dot, and then we start with this piece. So this is Zan, which means food or meal. So Zan is breakfast, but also it's another way you can say it. So fun is a little bit a little bit easier. So fun. So this is I think it's easier for writing purposes, but okay. So means morning. Fun means cook rice. Okay. Or also meal. Cook rice also represent meal. So we will see that quite often also. So again, to say breakfast, we can say 早餐, or we can also say 早饭. Now the same thing for lunch and for dinner. We will see that in a second.